What's going on YouTube? Your buddy Dave back here with another video. Today what I'm going to be doing is working on the bevel of this blade, getting it heat treated, getting it tempered, and I'm just doing a little bit more work on this knife. I'm also going to try to work on the handles as well. So let's just dive in, let's do this, and let's have fun in the process.
I forgot to take it off. That was hilarious. Let's see if you can see this. I think it looks pretty good. Woo! Look at that. God dang, boy. Whoa, whoa. Oh, look at that. That can be cleaned up with my file, but what? Oh. Oh. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I hope this heat treats good. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look at, oh. Let me clean this line up here a little bit. Let me. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Oh my God. Yes. Okay. All right. So, okay. So check it out. I'm just so excited right now. This is so insane. This looks so cool. I really want to heat treat this. Let's heat treat it. I got my forge. Come on, dang it. Woo!
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is grab the knife and drop it right on my wood surface. That's a great thing to do. Create a small little fire. And just pop it right back into the forge. I don't know why I did that. I got another piece of rebar in the forge as well. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the canola oil and try to heat that up a little bit more. Make that a little bit easier on my knife when I go to quench it. So what I'm doing now is I got the magnet in my hand. I'm going to go ahead and check it to see if it's demagnetized. Um, I heard that if it sticks, the magnet sticks, it's not ready for the quench. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I have a good grip with my vice grip so I don't lose the whole knife in the oil. And just go ahead and grab it, nice good grip, check it one more time, and get my quench on. I don't really know exactly how long I'm supposed to keep the knife in the oil for. I guess just till you think it's cooled down and you think it's hardened or not. So I guess we'll see when I go and try to scrape a file up against the edge of the blade. So it's supposed to make a really good sound when you do that. It's supposed to just skate and slide right off the edge of the knife. So we did achieve that here, and you can listen to the sound and tell me what you think. Let me know if you think I actually have a hardened blade or not, because I think I do, but let me know in the comments if you think I actually got it.
Oh no. I think we have hardness. Yeah, that's good. Look at that. Frick yeah. What? What? What did you say? Okay, sorry. Alright, so pretty much I got the handle material cut to size. Right now I'm about to glue it up to that linen. I'm going to put that layers of linen in between the wood. Hopefully that'll give it like a really cool effect. I don't know, we're going to see. But let's just keep doing this. Let's just keep rolling. What we're going to do right now is we're going to keep on rolling. I didn't get. Oh, Jesus! Oh my gosh! Okay.
thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. Please like and share, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and we will see how this knife looks like in the end on part 3. Y'all have a good one.